Well, it is time to get all dolled up. We're making felt dolls, the modern version of paper dolls. Joining us is Tricia, Szasz of Parkville Artisans studio. So, let's talk about this. How did you get the inspiration for these beautiful, brightly colored felt dolls?
I do a lot of Pinteresting, probably like a lot of you guys, right? But I actually do the stuff. I don't just save the pin. I actually do it. And honestly, what I keep coming across are cool old stuff that like my older sisters even used to play with.
Yeah.
And so these ones are one of them that popped up, and I remember them fighting over it mostly. But this was a super cool thing. Everybody had these back in the 60s. So I decided, you know what, this would be a fun one to bring back. I brought back Shrinky Dinks a while ago. Okay. And I think these ones will be just as cool.
Yeah, and just looking at the material it's made out of, this has to be so much more durable than paper dolls.
Absolutely, and it's so cheap. I mean, these are like 30 cents a piece
over
at some hobby store.
Yeah.
Absolutely, they're super, super inexpensive to buy, and all the little embellishments that you can put on it. I just went into my little craft closet and I got a bunch of cute little beads and cute little baubles.
And you made
actual
outfits.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, I got carried away.
So it looks like we've got the outline right now.
Sure, I'm going to show you quickly how we're going to make the board. I have an old canvas down at Parkville Artisans Studio. Got these laying around. I'm going to just cover it with felt, and I'm going to go around the edges, and I'm just going to staple them in place.
Okay.
We've already got one finished, so I'm not going to go through all the time to do that, but now you know how. Once it's finished, look at how cute it is. And I had an old easel. I spray painted it white to make it look cute for a little girl,
That's perfect for a child's room.
Right? And then to make the doll shapes, I just traced something on a piece of paper so it looked kind of cool. I traced it out with my marker. It doesn't have to be exact. Kids aren't going to care if her hand is a little bit too long or her foot is a little bit too long.
Look how cute this is right now.
Isn't it adorable?
Yeah.
I know.
And of course, it looks even better when it's
in
then felt.
Once we can cut it out. We've got a little bit left to cut on this one, I think. And we have another doll.
Oh. See, I love that. Okay, so this doll now needs an outfit.
She does.
Yeah, she can't be naked up there.
No.
Okay.
No, so we've got her some pants.
Okay.
We're going to put those ones on her, but we need a shirt to go with it. So you're going to cut out the little shirt.
Okay, and Tricia, I have to say, that was a lot of detail. You actually did the ruffle on the pant. Like, how did you
I told you, I just
that?
get carried away.
Okay.
I just enjoy myself. I sit on my porch and I play with this stuff, and I don't know, I have a good time with it. And besides, that's the stuff the little girls like, isn't it?
Oh, it absolutely is.
My neighbor came over yesterday, and they brought their little girl, Allie Jo. She couldn't leave the mermaid outfit alone. That one was her favorite. And this is tested and true last night. She was playing with this. Her parents had to go, come on, Allie Jo, let's go.
Oh, that is so cute. And I was going to say about the mermaid outfit, those little rhinestones that you dabbed on there, they just really were such a nice accent.
Aren't they the accent? And it is. You can make just a simple little skirt. Look, adorable, simple little skirt. But the cute little simple tank top I put with it, I just stuck some yarn on it, and it made it 10 times better. Look at how adorable it is.
So I'm expecting there to be a karate outfit soon.
I didn't even think of that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to make a little karate outfit. I think I should make like a Superwoman outfit too or something. What do you think? Is that a pretty good idea?
That's great because it's all about like inspiring women
It is.
Little girls starting at an early age.
Absolutely, and karate is something fantastic for them to get into. So I don't see why that would be. I think that's the best idea. Maybe a fireman, policeman, something like that.
Oh yeah. So Tricia and I also did a martial arts segment for self-defense. So that's if you hadn't seen that. Okay, so I'm almost done here with just on that last little curve.
The neck part. And then you're just going to glue that little bauble right on here. Here's some glue for you. Let me stick that on there. There.
And then our little girl's going to have an outfit.
All right, so let's take her little green dress here. We're going to put her shorts right here.
Okay.
And then we're going to put her cute little top on.
Oh my goodness.
Look how fun.
That is so satisfying.
The kids not only just play with it, they can make stuff for it too.
Oh my gosh. Well, thank you so much, Tricia, for all of that. And of course, like bringing this throw kind of from the past that's really resurged a lot. And it almost seems like you could do this with a child as well.
Absolutely. I'd have fun playing with this, wouldn't you?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Tricia.
Welcome, Melinda.